Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to create this spiral galaxy project. So let's begin. First I'll show you how it works and then I'll show you what code we have to use in that. So this is a galaxy spiral like our Milky Way galaxy. Alright. So now let's go to Scratch. Alright. Here we'll go to create new. Yeah, there it is. So we have to use any sprite as the dot or as the main sprite. I will be deleting this and taking a star, or you can take simple ball also, but I want to take a star, so I will take it. There you go. Then we'll go to costume and we'll fill the color as white. Why white? That I'll tell you. Next, we have to make it a little bit smaller. So we'll click on this and select the whole thingy and make it small. Yeah, and put it in the center. This is called the sprite center. Let's go. Now we have to make two types of lines, one horizontal and one vertical. So I'll just draw. I'll take this line and I'm drawing a horizontal line first. I will change this to a little of gray. It is actually gray, but let's just make it a little more grayish. Yeah, and then I'll put it to the center of this, right? So this plus is the center. Now what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this and select this one and just rotate it to the vertical like this. So the center will remain in the center. Okay, that's done. Now I will rename this as horizontal and this is this one which is not visible over here. And this is the vertical. Okay, done. Now for making it in a proper place, we'll go to code and take for both of them. First I'll do for horizontal. When flag is clicked, go to the center. So what is the center of it? It's 0 and 0. Alright. And then I want this to show up. I'll take show and hide both. So I'll take show. And then I'll do the same with the vertical. When flag is clicked, go to 0 0, which is the center, and then show it. Fine. So both of them are having the same code. Now the same code will be for the star also. When flag is clicked, go to 0 0 because it should go back to 0 0. There. Okay. So, and the show thingy. So now you can see that this straight line is the vertical one and this one is the horizontal. The horizontal line is not visible. Let's make it. So I will increase its width so it is visible nicely, and same with the vertical. I'll make it 2. Okay, so there you go. Now for the horizontal I will be using the code, and here I will be taking a forever loop of repeating its turn 15 degrees. So we'll not be turning 15 degrees, we'll be turning only 4 degrees or 2 degrees according to our wish. That's our wish, like this. So when you can see here, this line is rotating like this. It's making these dots come to the center. Fine. So yeah. Now we have to code for the star here. And to make it more visible, I'll just take a backdrop of a normal galaxy from the main backdrops. Let's take this. So now it's better. Now the most important thing here is we have to add the extension called the pen. So we have added in this here. And now we'll go to the star and we'll start beginning for the star. Okay. Alright. So here we'll be starting with the pen. First of all, whenever the flag is clicked, it should erase the things which are already here. Then I will take a pen up, because if the pen is still down, then it will keep on drawing something or the other. Then I will point in direction 90, because what is point in direction 90? You can see that the main in the right, it is just looking in the right. So now it already is on go to 00, and then I have to create a variable. So this variable should be set my variable to 0. This should be radius. So I'll be renaming this as radius. Then I have to move radius steps, means I have to use my radius as my steps. Then I have to show myself, sorry, first I have to hide it, and then I have to show myself, means my star. So now I will show. Yes. Then I will take a pen color. Set pen color. It is having two things: set pen color to 50 and set pen color to the color, whatever color you want. I will take white because it will look very, very nice, right? Then I will take the set pen size. So the mistake is that there are change pen size by 1 and set pen size by 1. So we have to take set pen size by 1, and here I will change it to 5 or 2 or whatever you want, you can use. Fine. Now I will use a forever loop to make it move with this horizontal line. Okay. So the forever loop here, and first of all the same thing it will hide, because if we'll show something first, then it will not work. And then again the same thing, that it should go back to the center point. So it's starting from the center point and it should go to the center point. Okay, there you go. And move the radius steps again, like that, and then show. So it will come to the center and go with this radius here, which is 160. 160 is the radius. And now I will be pointing it to some direction of the horizontal line, which I will be getting from sensing. And in this, there is an option of backdrop of stage. So in this stage, I will click and I will click on horizontal. So automatically it will show me some options like X position, Y position and direction. So I will take direction of horizontal line, and then I will take a pen down and pen down and pen up, and then I will set the radius value to the mod of radius minus 4, y minus 4 or y minus 5, because here in horizontal we are using 4 degrees, right? So here we'll be using set radius to the mod of, so mod of we'll get it here, mod of radius minus, we have to put this in the first ellipse over here, so radius minus 4, because the horizontal line is rotating in 4 degrees, and this is 160 because the radius is 160. Okay, so now if you stop this and start this, you will see these dots are coming. And I have a different galaxy background which you have already seen. I will change it. So this is my galaxy background. This will look really really cool in that. So now it's looking like the solitaire. And yeah, there you go. If you want to increase these dots, like the size of the dot, you can increase it with this. This is called pen size. So if I want to make it 10, I can change it to 10. So now they are a little bigger, but the smaller are the best. So it can be like 2 or 5. 2 is very small. 2 will be just like small little dots. If I make it 5, it will be like this. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this and tell me the suggestions. Thanks a lot.